This video will cover how to take a look at the metrics that are built into LinkedIn. So this will help us make more informed decisions about what we post, how we post, when we post. So what you want to start with is, of course, being logged into your profile. You'll be here on the main page where you see your news feed. Then what you want to do is go over to your profile itself by clicking on Me and then View Profile. So this will take you over to your profile. And then you want to scroll down to this area called Your Dashboard. These give you some snippets of metrics, how many people viewed your profile, what your most recent post received in terms of number of views and search appearances. So let's dig a little deeper and take a look specifically at post views. So when we click on post views, it's going to take us over to where all of our posts are living. And this is a historical chronological listing of all of our posts. And so what I want to take a look at specifically is how my most recent video performed. So I can see, again, a snapshot here, 94 likes, 37 comments, 4,400 views roughly. But I want to dig a little deeper. So I'm going to click on here where it has the play button. Click on here to just take a really in-depth look at these metrics. And so here I can see where these people work, what their occupation is, as well as where most of these viewers are coming from. And so if I expand it a bit more, I can see a bit more data. So that's very interesting that quite a few viewers came from Ernst & Young as well as Loblaws. We've got a lot of recruiters here. Doesn't really surprise me given my network, but I'm also pleased to see a lot of project managers and consultants and strategists because that's my target demographic. And as well, we can see where these people are coming from, largely Toronto, New York, Montreal, and Chicago, which is pretty much aligned with the clientele that I do cater to. So that's me taking a look at the metrics for a video. Now let's take a look at the metrics with this text post. So you just click on this little line graph icon to take a look here. I'm going to expand it with show more. And this is different. So this gives me some different results and different insights into who is reading my posts if I'm posting text content. And so the employers are a bit different. There's some similarities with the banks. A lot of salespeople, some more project managers, recruiters, and then the location is actually slightly different. So a lot of people in Toronto still, but also I'm hitting the West Coast with this, as well as Winnipeg and some of Vancouver as well. So that's really interesting and would help me shape and make some decisions around the content I post with regard to text. So again, this is really helpful, built into LinkedIn, and something that you can look at easily and then take and use to make a more, or have a more in-depth analysis around to determine how you should post, when you should post, what you should post, and make sure that you're getting the most reach possible for your target clientele.